What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today Apple released iOS 13.5 and iPadOS 13.5 to the public. Let's check it out. So to view and install the update, just go to Settings, tap General, then go to Software Update. So what's new in this update other than bug fixes? Well, people using a phone with Face ID will now be able to get in even quicker if they have a mask on. It'll take them right to the passcode screen. And there's the new COVID-19 exposure notifications, which is only compatible with apps that have it, so it won't be enabled automatically. You need an app for that. Now for people using group FaceTime, they can actually disable the effect that happens when somebody is talking. So each person has their own bubble on group FaceTime, and when they're talking, the bubble becomes bigger, increases in size, and you can disable that now in settings by going to settings and then FaceTime. Another new thing is for emergency SOS, so you can automatically share everything, like information that's in your medical ID, to the dispatcher, and this feature is only available in the USA, so hopefully they'll roll it out to other countries too. Now on my iPhone 7 Plus, the update came up to 370.5 megabytes, so this may vary depending on your device model and depending on which software you're updating from. So if you're updating from an older software version, it's going to get higher, and if you're updating from 13.4.1, then it's going to be a little bit smaller. Now, some users have been reporting that on their devices, when they installed the beta, that their phones became bricked, so they couldn't use them anymore, they wouldn't work anymore, and when they sent them to Apple, they got them back and the Face ID stopped working on their phones. So I'll update you guys if anybody else reports this issue on the public version. Now in terms of bug fixes, in the documentation they say that the first one is when some users have been experiencing a black screen when they were trying to play video from some websites. And the second one is that where if you're sharing something with a share sheet, that some suggestions and actions will not load properly, so they're saying that those have been fixed in the latest update. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. That pretty much sums it up. That's everything new in iOS and iPadOS 13.5. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!